भारत एक ऐसा देश जहां 70% जनसंख्या एग्रीकल्चर और उसके संबंधित उद्योगों पर निर्भर है।
एक ऐसा देश जो कृषि उत्पाद के मामले में विश्व में दूसरे स्थान पर आता है।
एक ऐसा देश जहां इसी एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर ने पैंडेमिक जैसे सिचुएशन को भी मात दी।
जहां बाकी सेक्टर्स की जीडीपी धूल चाट रही थी, वही एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर की जीडीपी अपनी ऊंचाइयों पर बरकरार थी। सो इन शॉर्ट, एग्रीकल्चर इज द लाइफलाइन ऑफ इंडिया, अ सेक्टर which drives India.
Yes, agriculture drives India. But what's that drives agriculture? Let us find out. Hello friends, my name is Shruti.
My name is Ajay. And you're watching The Inside World. Agriculture may empower India's economy, but it's facing some emerging issues these days. Like, number 1, lack of qualified manpower to work at grassroots level.
Number 2, low level of modern value addition amongst farmers.
Number 3, poor linkage between scientists and farmers.
Number 4, lack of effective marketing skills.
And most importantly, number 5, lack of interest of today's youth towards agriculture education. And this really needs to change.
This needs to change. पर कैसे? In order to sustain, diversify and realize the potential of agriculture sector, it is necessary of proper value addition and to develop skilled human resources.
और इन सारी ज़रूरतों को पूरा करने के लिए ज़रूरत है एक आइडियलिस्टिक विजन की, और ये आइडियलिस्टिक विजन हमें देने का काम करता है एग्रीकल्चर एजुकेशन।
Agriculture education is an education which basically deals with the value addition in order to develop sense of effective land management and crop production.
एक ऐसा शिक्षा क्षेत्र जो खेती करने के पारंपरिक तरीकों को आधुनिक विज्ञान की जोड़ देकर खेती में उच्च उत्पाद लाने में मदद करता है। It involves teaching, counseling, research and experiments in agriculture and its allied fields.
The history of agriculture education in India can be traced back to the ancient period when study of agriculture was included in the curriculum of Nalanda and Takshashila University as an important subject.
हालांकि भारत में फॉर्मलाइज्ड एग्रीकल्चर एजुकेशन की शुरुआत 20वीं सदी के शुरुआती दौर में हुई, जब ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने कानपुर, लैलापुर, कोयम्बतूर, नागपुर, सबौर और पुणे इन 6 जगहों पर एग्रीकल्चर कॉलेजेस की स्थापना की।
This was in pre-independence era. After the independence, the government of India took some serious steps to empower the agriculture in India. And this was followed by the establishment of ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, which is the apex body for coordinating, guiding and managing research and education in agriculture in the entire country.
Since the establishment of first agriculture university at Pantnagar in 1960 to till date, there are 71 agriculture universities working for encouraging the agriculture literacy amongst people.
We live in a society which believes in myth. Agriculture equal to no glorified career. So here is the myth buster.
People need food to survive, और ये ज़रूरत ऐसी है जो कभी खत्म नहीं होगी, और इसीलिए एग्रीकल्चर इज द मोस्ट सस्टेनेबल करियर ऑप्शन which reflects in union budgets numbers too. The last 3 union budgets clearly shows the reforms in agriculture sector. Besides that, the sector has been successful in attracting the foreign direct investment of worth $2.8 billion in last few years.
इसके अलावा गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स, रिसर्च एंड एजुकेशन, नेशनलाइज्ड बैंक, एग्री इनपुट इंडस्ट्रीज एंड गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी मेकिंग, इन सारे क्षेत्रों में भी एग्रीकल्चर एजुकेशन के बाद अनगिनत करियर ऑप्शंस है।
Therefore, future is definitely bright to pursue a career in agriculture. We just need to focus on agriculture education, because agriculture education is the key to the treasure of opportunities. And current scenario needs agricultural literacy in order to build India which can feed the world.
Because we will live, everything can wait, but not agriculture.